We are here today to make hand sanitizer. With coronavirus, it seems like all the stores are sold out of a lot of things, but the number one thing for me is to have a hand sanitizer because I'm still going to the store, I'm still out and about doing my thing. And so I thought I am going to make some bottles up because I can't find it at the store. They seem to be sold out at all my stores. I've gone to Walmart, Target. So I found a recipe to make some hand sanitizer, and I think this is actually going to be better because it will moisturize your hands, and the other stuff kind of dries your hands out. So the first thing we're going to do is take our pure aloe vera gel and dump that in to the bowl. I found this at Target. They do have a few bottles left of the gel right here. Next, we're going to take some rubbing alcohol, and we're going to take a cup of that and just put that on top of the gel. Maybe mix that around a little bit. And just kind of stir it till the gel gets dissolved. And let's see, so the next thing you're going to use is any kind of nourishing oil. So that would be like your jojoba oil, your vitamin E oil. You can use other things like sweet almond oil. Again, I found this at Target. This is the jojoba oil. I'm not sure if you can use coconut. I thought about that, but because some of the coconut oil solidifies, I bought something that's already, what do you call this, more liquid. So there's going to be 2 tablespoons of this. So let's put that in. And this actually makes your hands kind of soft. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of our jojoba oil. And again, you're going to want to mix this around. And the last thing I'm going to put in is some essential oils. And the 2 that I've decided to put into my hand sanitizer is, the first one I'm going to put in is melaleuca oil or tea tree oil. This has, if I can open it, this has properties that it will kill germs. Melaleuca kills. So any germs I may have on my hands, I want it to kill. So I'm going to put 7.5 drops of the tea tree oil. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5. And the other one that I'm going to put in is lemon. And lemon is good for, what is it good for? Let's see. It's kind of like an antiseptic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5. And mix those around. And now it's a really nice consistency in your bowl. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a nice consistency for hand sanitizer. I bought these at Target. I'm going to put this into these little bottles. I bought these in the travel section, and they're nice and squishy, so you can squish it out and have them in your car, have them in your purse. So you can have these, and they're ready to go with hand sanitizer. So they're saying you wash your hands a lot, or get your hand sanitizer so you're in contact with money or people or surfaces. You're going to need this. And then the other thing, you know, they're really highly recommending is that you boost your immune system. And Thrive Life has the greatest drink out. It's called Ruby. And it's all your 26 fruits and vegetables that you need in 4 packets. So we have all your red fruits and vegetables, purple fruits and vegetables, your green and your orange. So with 4 packets, you get 26 fruits and vegetables. Each day, you can have half your fruits and vegetables in just 1 packet. So we highly recommend getting some Ruby to stock up on so that your immune system is boosted, and then make your hand sanitizer. Talk to you later.